In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell a Phantom wallet and convert it into fiat or another cryptocurrency. Since Phantom wallet doesn't have a direct fiat withdrawal option, you'll need to send your crypto to an exchange that supports selling for cash. So first, make sure you open your Phantom wallet on mobile, and if you're using a desktop, make sure you already install the extension in your selected browser. Now first, ensure you have a SOL or other tokens available for selling. If needed, swap tokens with Phantom to SOL for lower fees. So as you can see in here, I don't have a balance yet. To give you all an example, we're going to use assuming scenarios. So since Phantom Wallet doesn't allow a direct selling, you'll need to send your funds to an exchange like Binance, Coinbase, Bitvavo, or Kraken, and make sure that the exchange supports your country and bank withdrawals. Now, to get your exchange deposit address, log into your chosen crypto exchange. And after that, navigate to the deposit section and select the SOL or the token you want to sell. Copy the deposit address and make sure it's on the Solana network if sending SOL. And after that, open your Phantom wallet and go to the crypto you want to send. And then click the send button, for example, Solana. And then enter the email or address. And then click next and enter the amount to transfer and confirm the transaction. So assumingly we have a completed transaction in here. So once the funds arrive, go to the trade section in here, which is the swap or sell section, and choose to sell your SOL or other tokens for fiat currency USD or Euro, etc. And then after that, confirm the transaction and wait for it to process. After selling, go to the withdrawal section, which is the send button in here, and then select your bank transfer method. It could be SEPA, PayPal, wire transfer, or other e-wallet. So after that, enter the amount and confirm your bank withdrawal and wait for your funds to arrive. Since Phantom Wallet doesn't support direct selling, the best way to cash out your crypto is by transferring it to an exchange first. So if you're frequently selling, you might want to connect your Phantom Wallet to exchanges that support Solana-based assets for quicker transaction. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.